Hello and welcome to this video where we will explore a powerful verse from the Bible that encourages us to let our light shine before others. Matthew 5 verse 16 says, "Let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven." This verse teaches us that we have a responsibility to shine our light and share God's love with those around us. God. As a loving Father, I want you to know that you are a valuable and important part of my plan for this world. You have been given unique gifts, talents, and abilities that can be used to bless others and bring glory to my name. When you let your light shine, you are spreading my love and goodness to those who need it most. You might wonder, what does it mean to let your light shine? It means living your life with integrity, kindness, and love. It means using your talents to serve others and being a positive influence in your community. It means sharing your faith and helping others to see the light of my love. When you let your light shine, people will see your good deeds and be inspired to do the same. They will see the love and joy in your heart and want to know more about the source of your light. This is an opportunity for you to share the good news of my love and salvation with those around you. In conclusion, my dear child, I want you to know that you are loved and valued. I have given you a purpose and a mission to let your light shine and share my love with others. As you go about your day, remember to be a positive influence and let your light shine bright. You never know who might be watching and inspired by your good deeds. May you bring glory to my name and be a beacon of hope to those around you.